By now, you should have read over the prompt on this page. If not, go ahead and press pause and do that now. So when I was reading this prompt, the first thing that we're going to do is really identify what it's asking you to do in the question. It says take a position, so decide if I'm for or against, or how much I'm for or against a public opinion, and its ability to make us more or less virtuous. So virtuous is like a good person. If you have virtue, you're honest and you're dependable. All of those good qualities. And then using appropriate evidence from reading, if anything that I have read, observation, just my life experience, things that I have observed going on, and write a carefully reasoned essay defending, challenging, or qualifying the relative value of public opinion. Qualifying means like public opinion is good when it XYZ, or public opinion can be a good thing except when it XYZ. So I'm going to have to do some thinking. I Pre-writing, I'm just going to jot down some thought. Public opinion can help people make good choices because they want to be accepted. Can also influence bad choices, particularly in kids or teens sometimes. It helps, honestly, like hygiene. A lot of people have good hygiene because of how other people will see them and view them. And then I have to think about what I can use as evidence for any of these things. So I would say that my position on public opinion is that public opinion can be beneficial when the public's opinion, when the general consensus is positive. However, if the population is not willing to stand up for what's right, then it can be harmful. And that's really general right now. I don't really love the wording, but that kind of gets me started. And so I think I'm going to have a couple of paragraphs in my essay. I want to talk about how public opinion can be positive in that it is public opinion that violence is unacceptable. And so it is because of that public opinion that creates our laws and keeps people safe. If the entire public didn't believe that, we would have a lot more criminals and our laws wouldn't be the same way. However, when it could be harmful would be if when, like, I'm just thinking about sometimes like kids in school, if they know something is wrong but they are afraid to tell someone because they are worried what others might think. And in which case, that is almost like based on theoretical choices. Like they are not entirely sure what public opinion is, they're just assuming that they know what people will think. It's all based on assumptions. And so I want to talk about those two things as this is my opinion, but I'm going to qualify in saying that it's not always helpful in order for those decisions. And so with that, I think I'll tweak my wording on this to be my thesis, and then these will be my supporting ideas.